On April 10th, 2025, Nanjing Jiangsu Province experienced a significant hailstorm. Different reports indicate large hailstones caused damage to property, including cars.
孩子都要抓，吹飞过。钱呢？
On April 11th, 2025, strong winds were reported in two locations: Guiyang, Guizhou Province, and Zhangjiakou, Hebei Province. In Guiyang, the winds were strong enough to blow away electric scooters.
Wow, take on more. What a long take on more. What? Wow.
Beijing was hit by powerful winds on April 12, 2025, with gusts reaching up to 150 kilometers per hour, 93 miles per hour, equivalent to Category 1 hurricane strength. In the Hainan district of Wuhai City, a wall was blown down by the wind and cars were buried under broken bricks. One victim was sent to the intensive care unit of a local hospital. On the afternoon of April 11th, strong winds knocked down large trees in Beishalian, Kun district, Baotao, nearly killing people.